Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my graduation makeup. Today's actually graduation day, so getting prepped and ready. So I'm gonna show you guys my look for today. This is beginner friendly. So I already did my eyebrows just to save time because I'm running out of time now. I literally have 1 hour to do this, so let's start. So first I'm gonna put primer on. Also, if you're wondering why I'm sounding like this, I am recovering from a cold. All right, put primer on. Probably should tie my hair up. Graduation. Graduating nursing school. Oh, I sound so gross. Graduating nursing school. So excited. It's been a long, stressful journey, but I made it. I'm gonna be using my same Juvias Place palette, the Warriors by Juvias. Fenty Beauty. That's the concealer I'm using. I'm using my Dirty Beauty blender. Okay, fix my eyebrows because it was looking a little too connected. Excuse me. Please excuse my background. There's a lot going on. We're all trying to get ready. So I'm going to use KANO. It's like I love these two colors. I use literally every time use the same colors. And I'm patting it on quickly because like I said, I am rushing. Graduation starts at 1, but I'm supposed to be there at 12, and right now it is 10 o'clock or 10 something, but I'm supposed to be leaving here at 11. So the rush and the race is on. Now I'm gonna go in with MINO. Okay guys, so my look is not coming out the way I planned, but just hold on. I'm gonna blend first with KANO, the same color I was using. Okay, so I'm just blending with the KANO. So honestly, all I'm doing is putting a light color. So I put a light color first, and then I put the dark color over it, and then I put the light color over the dark color. Very weird, but we'll see. It looks like something. And I'm using lash glue from Target, Duo. And with my eyeliner, I don't care. I don't do it for perfection. I just do it so that the lash line can kind of blend into it. Where's my other lash? I've worn these before one time, so I'm wearing it again. Let me look at the time. 10:31, gotta hurry up. I put glue on my hand, and then I put the lash line of the lashes on the glue, kind of glide it on. Okay. Uh-oh. And I'm using tweezers to help me. Since I got my nails done, might as well use that too. Lashes are done. Now I'm going to start my foundation. I'm using the Beauty Blender, the same one. And now I'm gonna conceal my face. Well, conceal under my eyes. So I just put concealer under both eyes any kind of way. And then I'm gonna put a line on my nose just to brighten up that part of my nose. Under my nose, chin, forehead, swipe just a little bit. Alright, and I'm gonna use the same blender. So I'm going to use setting powder on my concealer areas. This powder blush from MAC, so MAC powder blush, it's Film Noir. I guess that's the color name. That's what I use to add some color to my cheek and here and just a little up here to add some brown. And then I sprayed my face with setting powder. Well, that makes no sense. I sprayed my face with setting spray. It's MAC Fix Plus. Did that in the bathroom because I'm rushing. And then now I am putting on my lipstick. I'm using Anastasia Rust. Same lipstick I used in my previous video. And then after that, I'm gonna put on my glow. I'm gonna put on my highlight. Okay guys, and then quickly, because I'm rushing, I'm gonna use the same color I use on my eyes. I use the KANO, the light brown, the light brown. And I'm putting it under my eye real fast. And then I'm gonna use the MINO. So I use the KANO, now I'm gonna use the MINO, and I'm gonna put that under my eye. Okay, last thing I'm doing is putting glow. So I'm putting it on my nose. I'm gonna put it everywhere. Cheek. Okay guys, this is the final look. Just wanted to show you guys how I look before I exit the house. The final look. This is how my cap looks. It says, with God, all things are possible. And yes. Alright guys, you're looking at your Nurse Hannah. Nurse Hannah. So, alright guys, I'm gonna go for my ceremony. If I can get a video of my ceremony, I will add it to this video as well. But thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.